Question 51. We are starting, this is part 37. So we are not wasting time. This is expo questions, expected questions on JAMB use of English. So no need to waste time. Let's proceed immediately. Part 37. Choose the option nearest in meaning to the underlined word. Choose the option nearest in meaning. We're talking about synonyms here. Choose the option nearest in meaning to the underlying words. Since its inception in 1983, the newspaper has attracted thousands of readers. So the underlying word is inception. Which word is nearest in meaning to inception? A. Renaissance. B. Coming. C. Commencement. D. Publication. The answer, inception means starting or commencement. The answer is C. Since its commencement is the same thing as saying since its inception. Okay, we proceed. Now, I want you to avoid every form of distraction. Give me your ears, give me your eyes, give me your mind, your heart. Come be with your pen and your paper as we proceed. Let no one distract you, please. This is a serious business. JAMB is by the corner, so we don't need to waste any single minute. Mrs. Asio wanted her sister to stop being so detached. Mrs. Asio wanted her sister to stop being so detached. You know, we are looking at similar in meaning, or nearest in meaning, right? Nearest in meaning. Mrs. Asio wanted her sister to stop being so detached. A. Friendly. B. Careless. C. Indifferent. D. Passionate. What is the nearest meaning to detached? Mrs. Asio wanted her sister to stop being so detached. The answer is to stop being so indifferent. That means she's not interested, she's not uninterested, she's just in the middle. Right? Okay, we move on. Lantana dwelt in a round cottage in the hillside. Lantana dwelt in a round cottage in the hillside. So the word, nearest the meaning of the word, is it sat? I've given you people this thing as an assignment. I'm just now giving you the answer. A. Sat. B. Walked. C. Slept. D. Lived. The word in a place, if you say this is a place of my dwelling, it means this is where I live. So nearest meaning of the word is lived. 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 Remember that what you are watching is part 37. If I were you, I will start watching after this part 37. I will get from part 1, part 2, part 3, all the videos we've done. We've done videos on orals, we've done videos on stress, we've done videos on nearest in meaning, opposite in meaning, filling the gaps, all the rest. Every area that JAMB will come from, we've handled it in this series from part 1, part 2, part 3, part 10, part 20, part 30. We are now in part 37. If you want me to give you all the videos we've done from part 1 free, I can give them to you free of charge. If you want all of them, just let me know in the comment section. The mistake brought the show to an ignominious end. The mistake brought the show to an ignominious end. And we're looking at nearest meaning of ignominious. A. A good end. B. A palatable end. C. A disgraceful end. D. A satisfactory end. The answer, nearest meaning to ignominious is disgraceful. So the answer is C. If you watch this video to the end, you will receive free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question because you need it. If you watch this particular part 37 to the end, I will give you free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question because it will it will assist you in your serious preparation. Now let's look at this question. Question 55. He compliments me on my way of doing things. He compliments me on my way of doing things. We are looking at nearest in meaning. He compliments me on my way of doing things. A. Compliments. B. Imitates. C. Disgust. D. Praises. To compliment somebody. That is L-I, or the L-I of compliment is to praise the person. That means you are showering praises on the person. Okay, look at this very important question. I've given it to you, but let me give you the answer. The girl is angry with her friend. I wanted to say boyfriend. God help me. God save my soul. The girl is angry with her friend who had ensnared her into this relationship. The girl is angry with her friend who had ensnared her into this relationship. A. Tricked. B. What does that similar meaning of ensnare somebody? A. Tricked. B. Encouraged. C. Forced. D. Enslaved. To ensnare somebody means to trick the person. Trick the person, right? I hope you are following. If you watch this question and if you have attempted the quiz I gave, watching this question will give you the answer of the number you got. Their new house was roofed with corrugated sheets. Their new house was roofed with corrugated sheets. A. Folded sheet. B. Iron sheet. C. Aluminum sheet. D. Corrupted sheets. Corrugated, nearest meaning of corrugated is folded. There's this kind of a zinc or sheet, aluminum that has some foldings, design foldings. That is what is called corrugated sheet. We have it in aluminum corrugated. We have zinc corrugated sheets for roofing. Okay, I hope you are following. Are the videos I'm making helpful to you? If they are helpful, please don't hesitate to tell me. If you are benefiting from the videos I make, tell me in the comment section. It will motivate me to create much more videos for you. Okay, let's ride on. The stockbroker said it was an astute move to sell the shares then. The stockbroker said it was an astute move to sell the shares then. So when we say astute, what do we mean? A bad move. B, a shrewd move. C, an unprofitable move. D, an insincere move. Remember, we're looking at nearest in meaning. The stockbroker said it was an astute move to sell the shares then. A bad move. B, a shrewd move. C, an unprofitable move. D, an insincere move. The answer is shrewd. A shrewd move. That is like a businessman. You were able to hit it on target, right? Okay. The principal described Uche as the most tactful person he had ever worked with. The principal described Uche as the most tactful person he has ever worked with. So when we say tactful, what does it mean to be tactful? A, passionate. B, discreet. C, hardworking. D, innovative. Question 59. Tactful means to be discreet. To be discreet. The answer is B. Discreet person knows what to say and what not to say, what to say openly and what to keep secret. The old woman is suffering from dementia. The old woman is suffering from dementia. So when we say dementia, what do we actually mean? Similar in meaning for dementia is it A, lucidity? B, senility? C, insanity? D, sagacity? The old woman is suffering from dementia. The answer is the old woman is suffering from, is it lucidity, senility, insanity, sagacity? Is C. The answer is C. Okay. 61. Now pay serious attention. Pay serious attention because I've not given you this one before. Some drugs have a deleterious effect on child's development. Some drugs have a deleterious effect on child's development. A, debilitating. B, helpful. C, harmful. D, healing. Some drugs have a deleterious effect on a child's development. A, debilitating. B, helpful. C, harmful. D, healing. The answer is A, debilitating. That is a weakening or negative effect. Okay, we move on. Filler has always been described as belligerent. Filler has always been described as belly grand. So when we say this child is belly grand, what does it mean? A, remember we're looking at similar meaning. A, beautiful. B, attractive. C, combative. D, innocent. Belly grand person, a belly grand person is a combative person. That is, they waste time to start fighting, to start making trouble. That is belly grand. I hope you are not like that. If you are like that, please come to the front of the class and kneel down and hands up. Don't mind me. 63. By the way, the main reason why I keep giving you videos every day is that I believe, and I want you to claim it, that this year is your year when it comes to JAMB. This year is your year to write this exam and enter school straight, no wasting time. And you will not only enter any kind of school, you will enter the preferred school you want, your first choice. And they will give you your preferred course, not any mago course. Are you getting me? And this year you will score 300 and above. I don't care what you scored, maybe if you have written JAMB before. This year is your year to smash it once and enter school. Even if others don't score 300 and above, it is your portion to make 300 and above. You will not be a disgrace in this JAMB. You will not score 130, 170. No. Claim it. I want you to claim it in the comment section that you must enter school this year. That this year is your year. And you will enter university not through mago method, but through merit. You will go to your preferred university and study your choice, your course of choice. Okay, let's move on. Laraba saw a fallen little figure sitting outside the class. Laraba saw a fallen little figure sitting outside the class. A, wise and intelligent. We're looking at similar meaning of fallen. A, wise and intelligent little figure. B, lonely and unhappy little figure. C, smart and healthy little figure. D, short and ugly little figure. Laraba saw a fallen little figure outside the class, and we are looking at what? We are looking at similar meaning of fallen. I've done other videos on chemistry, physics, a lot of videos on biology, chemistry, economics, government, literature, all the rest. If you need me to give you the link to all, that's if you are serious. So I don't deal with people that are not serious. If you are serious and you want to receive all the link we have done on this subject, all the link of the videos, expo questions, past question and answer, expected questions, topics where they will say the questions from, in all of these subjects, just come under the comment if you are serious and mention the name of the subject and say, sir, please give me access to all the videos you've done, and I could send you all the links to those videos. Now, Laraba saw a fallen figure, little figure sitting outside. The nearest meaning is a lonely and unhappy little figure. Okay, we now move on. The secular supersedes all previous correspondence on the matter. The secular supersedes all previous correspondence on the matter. So when they say supersede, what does it mean? What is the similar meaning? A, support. B, displaces. C, eliminates. D, circumvents. The secular supersedes, is it supports or displaces or eliminates or circumvents? The answer is displaces. It supersedes them, so it displaces them. Okay. Her problem was exacerbated by the laws of her father. Her problem was exacerbated by the laws of her father. Her problem was exacerbated by the laws of her father. A, exaggerated. B, solved. C, aggravated. D, infuriated. Her problem was exacerbated by the loss of her father. Is it exaggerated or solved or aggravated or infuriated? I won't tell you the answer of question 65. Come under the comment of this video and tell me what you think is the answer of question 65. Now let's move on. Question 66. Choose the option that best completes the gap. Choose the option that best completes the gap. A, When his car tire dashed on the way, he did not know what to do. When his car tire dashed on the way, he did not know what to do. When his car tire dashed on the way, he did not know what to do. A. Has burst. B. Had burst. C. Busted on the way. D. Burst on the way. When his car tire had busted, has busted, had busted, busted, had burst. What do you think is the answer? Is it A or B or C or D? Tell me what you think. In the next video part 38, we will continue from question 66. Now, for you to receive free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question, and to receive all the links and all those other materials, you must do 4 things. Number 1 is very compulsory. If you have not done number 1, go ahead and do it. Number 1 is for you to join our YouTube channel. You can see the option to join. When you join, you become a full-fledged member of Noble Tutorials YouTube channel, and we can give you all the support. You can call us on the phone. We will follow you up until you write and pass your exam. So go ahead, click on join, follow the prompts, see it as an investment. Don't dodge it. Go ahead and join now. When you join, the next thing for you to do is to like this video. Just boop the like button, like this video, then share this video. Click on share it here on YouTube. Click on share again, copy the link, share the link on WhatsApp, on Facebook groups, on WhatsApp groups, on Telegram channel groups, and all other platforms. Then when you do all those things, finally subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remember, I said join, like this video, share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. When you subscribe, come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed under the comment, I will chat you up and send to you all the materials that will help you. There's a very, very important video I'm leaving for you on the screen. I'm leaving it for you free of charge. Click on it and watch now.